Welcome back to Tech Vibe. If you're a fan of tough, outdoor-friendly smartwatches, today's review is perfect for you. We're diving into the Garmin Instinct 3, a rugged and reliable smartwatch that's built for adventurers and athletes alike. After using it for a while, I'm here to share my thoughts on its design, performance, features, and overall value. Let's jump right in. The Garmin Instinct 3 looks exactly like you'd expect from a watch that's built for the great outdoors. It has a tough, rugged design with a large, chunky case that feels solid on the wrist. It's made from reinforced polymer, which keeps the watch light yet strong. The watch doesn't feel heavy, but it has a solid, reliable presence. It's not a sleek or slim design, but it's definitely built to survive tough conditions. The strap is silicone and feels comfortable, even during long hikes or runs. It's breathable, and you won't get any annoying sweat buildup underneath. You can also swap out the straps, so you can adjust it to your style or needs. One of the standout features of the Garmin Instinct 3 is its durability. This watch is MILIS TD810G certified, which means it meets military standards for toughness. It's resistant to shocks, drops, dust, and extreme temperatures. The watch is also water resistant up to 10 atm, so you can swim with it, shower with it, or use it in the rain without worry. Whether you're hiking in the desert or climbing a mountain, the Instinct 3 is designed to take whatever nature throws at it. It's a true adventure-ready watch. The display is a 1.27-inch, monochrome memory and pixel MIP screen. It's not as colorful or vibrant as an AMOLED display, but it works perfectly for outdoor use. The MIP screen is always on, which saves battery life. And it's easy to read, even in bright sunlight. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, so you don't have to worry about scratches when you're out in the wild. The resolution is basic, but it's sharp enough for the data the watch shows. When you're out in the sun or on a trail, you'll appreciate how clear and legible the screen is. Now, let's talk about the performance of the Garmin Instinct 3. The watch is equipped with a GPS system that works exceptionally well. It uses multi-GNSS Global Navigation Satellite System for better accuracy. So whether you're running, biking, or hiking in the mountains, you can count on precise tracking. The GPS locks on quickly, and it stays connected even in dense forests or urban areas with tall buildings. It's the type of system you want when you're out exploring, and you need to know exactly where you are. The heart rate sensor is also upgraded in the Instinct 3. It's accurate and tracks continuously, whether you're working out, hiking, or resting. During my testing, I found the readings to be reliable and consistent. You can monitor your heart rate zone while exercising, or keep an eye on your resting heart rate over time. This data is essential if you're tracking your fitness levels or working on improving your endurance. In addition to heart rate tracking, the Garmin Instinct 3 also includes an altimeter, barometer, and 3-axis compass. These tools give you extra insight into your environment. You can track changes in altitude, monitor weather changes, and find your way with the compass. This is especially helpful if you're on a hike or in a situation where traditional maps won't be enough. It's like having a set of survival tools on your wrist, ready for anything. The Instinct 3 also comes with built-in activity tracking features. It supports multiple sport modes, including running, cycling, swimming, hiking, rowing, and more. There's also a dedicated mode for climbing and skiing, which is great if you're into those activities. You can track your workouts in real time, and the watch will give you feedback on your pace, distance, and other important metrics. There's even a new running power feature, which can track how much energy you're putting into your runs, giving you more insight into your performance. One of the features I really appreciate is the sleep tracking. The Instinct 3 doesn't just track how long you sleep, it breaks it down into different stages, including light, deep, and REM sleep. It gives you a sleep score each morning, so you can see how well you rested. If you're someone who wants to improve your sleep quality, this data is incredibly helpful. It helps you identify patterns and make changes to improve your overall rest and recovery. When it comes to software, the Garmin Instinct 3 runs on Garmin's Connect platform. This is one of the best fitness platforms out there. You can sync all your data to Garmin Connect and track your progress over time. The app is easy to use and offers detailed insights into your activity, heart rate, sleep, and more. There's also Garmin Coach, which offers personalized training plans if you're working towards a specific goal, like running a 5,000 or training for a marathon. Battery life is one of the standout features of the Instinct 3. With regular use, the watch lasts up to 14 days in smartwatch mode. If you're using GPS for activities, you'll get around 30 hours. In battery saver mode, the watch can last up to 70 days. The watch charges via a standard USB cable, and the charging speed is quick. It's perfect for long trips or adventures where you won't always have access to a charger. As for smart features, the Instinct 3 has a few, but it's not as feature-packed as some of the other smartwatches out there. It supports notifications for calls, texts, emails, and apps. You can also control music and get weather updates directly on the watch. However, there's no speaker or microphone, so you can't take calls or use a voice assistant. It's more of a fitness-focused watch with some smart features added in, for anyone who's using the watch during a workout or outdoor activity. The basic smart features are more than enough. The watch also includes Garmin Pay, so you can make contactless payments directly from your wrist. This is a handy feature for when you're out for a run or hike and don't want to carry your wallet. It works with most major credit and debit cards. And the setup is simple through the Garmin Connect app. When it comes to connectivity, the Instinct 3 supports Bluetooth, ANT+, and Wi-Fi. This makes it easy to connect to other devices like heart rate monitors, foot pods, or bike sensors. Syncing the watch to your phone is fast, and once it's connected, the watch stays linked to your phone throughout the day. If you use other Garmin products, the Instinct 3 works seamlessly with them, which is a nice touch. So, what about the price? The Garmin Instinct 3 is priced around $300. For the features you get, it's a solid value. The build quality, GPS accuracy, and battery life make it worth the investment, especially if you're someone who spends a lot of time outdoors or doing sports. It's not the cheapest fitness watch out there, but it's definitely one of the most durable and feature-packed in this price range. Let's go over the pros and cons of the Garmin Instinct 3. The pros. First, it's built like a tank. It can handle just about anything you throw at it. Second, the GPS is top-notch and works well in tough environments. Third, the battery life is amazing. You won't need to charge it every day. Fourth, it has excellent fitness tracking, including heart rate, sleep, and activity tracking. Fifth, the Garmin Connect app offers detailed insights and makes tracking progress easy. Sixth, the price is reasonable for what you get. The cons. The screen isn't as vibrant as an AMOLED, so it's not the best for those who want flashy displays. It's also on the larger side, so it might feel bulky on smaller wrists. There's no speaker for calls or voice commands. And while the watch has basic smart features, it's not as feature-rich as some others. So, what's the final verdict? The Garmin Instinct 3 is a fantastic choice for anyone who spends a lot of time outdoors or is serious about their fitness. It's tough, reliable, and packed with useful features for training, tracking, and adventure. While it's not as flashy as other smartwatches, it's built for people who need a no-nonsense, rugged smartwatch that can handle anything. If you're someone who likes to push your limits, this is a watch that won't let you down. That's it for today's review of the Garmin Instinct 3. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We have more reviews and tech insights coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Tech Vibe.